Hello friend, welcome to Reza Webs. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to turn on and turn off virus and threat protection in Windows Defender Security Center on Windows 10 operating system. Because some of the .exe not allowed to install, and that's for reason file goes to delete. Okay, let's go to open Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell here, just open it by using run as administrator. This is PowerShell window, so we have to run the script for Set-MpPreference disable real-time monitoring true. Hit the enter key. Our virus and threat protection is now turned off. This is the notification. So now we can see how is the situation in Windows Defender Security Center. Just search here Windows Defender Security Center. This is here. Virus and threat protection is now turned off, and we have to enable this or turn on this. So let's go. Okay, this is Windows PowerShell. This query, this command line can be used to enable Windows virus and threat protection. So hit the enter button from keyboard. Yes, this command has been enabled. So let's go here. This is now enabled, and button turn on button now invisible. So our command line working fine. Okay, thank you.